In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete a repost here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Instagram tips. If you've reposted something by accident or simply changed your mind, here's how you can go ahead and delete it. Begin by opening up the Instagram app and then going to your profile by clicking on your icon down in the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. Scroll down on this page until you see the Your Activity option and go ahead and click on it, and from here it's going to pull up a bunch of different stuff. Find this little repost option here, and within the setting you're going to see every single thing that you've reposted. Essentially just go ahead and tap select in the top right, choose whatever repost you want to remove, and then tap delete in the bottom to confirm. Obviously I don't have any reposts, but it really is super simple once you get to this page. Once again, you just have to choose the repost that you want to remove and then tap delete in the bottom to confirm. But that is it. The repost is now gone from your profile. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.